saw that on film. Oh, yeah, got him. Got one. Oh, that was pulling some line. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Thought I'd show you my setups. This here is a Casking Capstan 300 reel, loaded with Cast Pro blade, 65 pounds. It's a cracking reel, centrifugal brakes, and I've matched that up with the Savage Gear MPP 150 gram plus 8'6" rod. New to me, only had it in a month. Love it. Great casting rods. This is my old setup, which is a Casking Spartacus Maximus, slightly smaller reel, a lot of drag though. I think 39 pounds they claim, something like that. Same with the Capstan. This is the old Savage Gear MPP with the 7-foot rod greater than 150 grams. It's not expensive gear. Oh, that's got Super Power braid in 65 pound as well. It's not expensive gear, but it does the job. I do a lot of lure fishing, so I can't afford to buy the best gear for everything. I've got a Savage Gear lure bag here, great bags. I just attach a cheap unhooking mat, and then a must is, doesn't have to be Savage Gear, I like the stuff, but an extra large Savage Gear landing net with a handle that extends. I thought I'd just show you what I got in my tackle box today. This is a Savage Gear reel eel, 30 centimeters, in motor oil colour. They used to make them in a browner colour than that, and these seem to leach the newer ones, but they work just as well. I've rigged it up on a little line through, sorry, not liner, it's carp fishing. Do that as well. See, I've got a corkscrew here, made up a little tray, speed, hook, fish strikes, gets hooked, lure goes up the line. Great lures, especially on the canal here. You can see I've got another one there. I won't put it with that though, because the colours will leach. A Weston shad, a Ricky the Roach with a spinnerbait I made up. That catches on difficult days, might use that today. Line through trout in, don't know what pattern that is, it's one of the Japanese ones I think. Reedless pig shad. All great lures. We'll try some of the plastics on the way back down I think today. One of the new Savage Gear 4 plays in a sort of a rud pattern. I quite fancy that. I might try that in a minute if Samo don't produce. Various frogs, live targets, terminators, booyahs. I love the booyahs, absolutely love them. Dave Gordon, I think it is, Big Dipper. Get the catch on that yet, but that's a new lure, sure it'll work in the right place. And then my favourite jerkbaits at present are the Sebo lipless gliders. Got lots of fish on these. Pike in the Canal love them. I might switch to a Savage Gear 4 play I think now, or in a minute. I hope that's not all my lures. I've like a lot of yours, but you got lots more. I do. Fish different venues, different depths and things, but there's an idea of what I carry in my box. Throw some in there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You shot out for that, mate, didn't you? Come on. Obviously a lot of pike in this stretch. And he's following it. You see him down there? He's just sat down here. Stay up for it. Let's chuck it out there and step back. I hope you saw that on film. Oh, yeah, got him. I've got one. Oh, that was pulling some line. Oh, didn't look big, but it feels like a nice fish. He ain't bad, is he? I don't think that's even the one. Unless he went to the splash. There we go. Another pike in the net. Right, let's get him up. And out. They're getting bigger. Don't need them back. Quick look. There we go. Good sport today. I've got a line through trout on again now. See if that can bring me any joy. Just had a pull on the first dip. Got him. Got the fish on. Got my drag loose, haven't I? Too loose. Not a huge fish again. Pike. Would you believe it? He didn't like the jerkbait, that one. Let's try and show you this pike. There you go. Right, leave him in the net for a minute. It seems to be stuck. Right. Down there. One little pike seems to have unhooked himself. Let's not mess around. Yep, we got one. Hopefully this one's going to stay on. Not a huge fish, but a fish. Little jack. Hope we got a fish as long as we can land it. I'm kicking everything in the water. In you go, my beauty. Right. Let's take him out and try and take the hooks out. And then Go, stay in the net, you bugger. Have your photo taken. There, if we just get the braid out from around him. Put that there. As you get down here, you can see him there. If we can turn around the other way. Or he can get his nose out and he'll be gone. There you go there.